BJP leader and former Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar is set to take on the role of state president for the party, as he is the only nominee for the position, according to party insiders. A formal announcement is expected after the State Council meeting on Monday. BJP's central observer, Prahlad Joshi, is anticipated to officially confirm this appointment during that meeting, sources say. On Sunday, Chandrasekhar submitted 2 sets of nomination papers at the BJP headquarters in the state capital, with State President K. Surendran and various senior BJP leaders, including Kummanam Rajshekharan, V. Muralidharan, P.K. Krishnadas, and Metricton Ramesh, present for the occasion. Union Ministers Suresh Gopi and George Kurian also attended the event. At the age of 60, Chandrasekhar brings with him 20 years of political experience. He has previously served as Union Minister of State overseeing several departments, including electronics and IT, skill development and entrepreneurship, and Jal Shakti. He has held a Rajya Sabha MP position from Karnataka for 3 terms and has acted as the party's national spokesperson. He is currently the vice chairman of the NDA's Kerala unit. A well-known figure in Kerala, Chandrasekhar ran as the NDA candidate in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections from Thiruvananthapuram but lost to Congress leader Shashi Tharoor by a margin of 16,077 votes. Originally from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, his family has roots in Thrissur, Kerala, and his father-in-law is TPG Nambiar, the founder of the BPL group. This election comes as the current state president, K. Surendran, wraps up his 5-year term. There had been much speculation about whether he would remain in the role, especially with upcoming local body elections and the 2026 assembly polls on the horizon. Party sources also indicated that BJP state leaders Shobha Surendran and Metricton Ramesh were viewed as strong alternatives for the position. However, K. Surendran mentioned in a TV interview that he had already communicated to central leadership his lack of interest in staying on. In light of these developments, BJP leader Shobha Surendran expressed support for the decision, noting that Chandrasekhar is well prepared to effectively lead the party. The move to appoint him was unanimous, and his leadership skills will drive the party forward, she told reporters. Senior leader Metricton Ramesh echoed these views, emphasizing that Chandrasekhar is accustomed to Kerala politics and expressing confidence in his ability to lead. His strong showing in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in Thiruvananthapuram, where he came close to victory, clearly shows he has solid backing from the people, Ramesh remarked. Union Minister of State Suresh Gopi added that Rajiv Chandrasekhar could act as a catalyst to bolster the party's organizational efforts. He will have a robust team of union ministers and senior leaders backing him to meet his responsibilities in unity, he stated to reporters. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in and wishing everyone safety and peace.